So far, we have learned what is anonymous blocks or anonymous procedures. We know how to create and save in the file and execute it. Today, in this session, we are going to learn what is store procedures. That means actually we are going to store the procedure into the database by using the create command. Let's see how. Let's open our notepad and see what we have created so far. So we have program 1, program 2. What is program 1 and what is program 2? Program 1 is say we are printing line hello world, and this is Shaji and line, right? This is the first program, and our next program was this one where thank you has been added up. Let's see store procedure. So with our first example, I'm going to just modify a little bit. Okay, so this is just to print hello world, and this is Shaji, and 2 lines before and after. Okay, this is a simple anonymous block or anonymous procedure. This we are going to convert into store procedure. For that, what you just simply add before or before begin, we have to say create. Just like we create table, create index, right? Whatever you create with whatever you do with create command is actually stored in the database. Similarly, when you're creating procedure, if you want to store in database, you will say create or replace, and give a name to the procedure. We say procedure, D-U-R-E, procedure, and we give the name. So now this is printing hello world, this is Shaji, so we'll say that hello. Okay, the procedure name is hello, H-E-L-L-O, and then say as. So create or replace procedure hello as, and from here begin to end, same thing as we written in our anonymous block. Okay, this will print hello world, and this is Shaji, but this time it is going to be stored into the database. Okay, now why we written create or replace? When you say create, if it is a new one, it will create it. The procedure name is hello. You will create a procedure named hello in the database. If it is not created, then if it is already created, it will replace the same with the new procedure. So that's why we write create or replace. Procedure hello as, you write as, you can write as, or you can write is, whichever suits you, but I'll say for my examples always has as, so I'm using as. You can also use is also. Okay, let's go ahead. So this is the procedure, and we'll decide to save it. This is the first procedure, but now it is the third procedure. We're going to name it up, say save as, and we say program number 3, and we'll save it. So the third procedure is already saved. Now let's come to our prompt here, and we say what is the procedure name. Let's close this notepad. Procedure name is what? We say procedure 3. Okay, we are given the name as procedure 3, that is P003, and press enter. So procedure has been created, correct? Procedure has been created, but we have to say the computer, or so say the PL/SQL or Oracle, to execute our program so that it will display hello world. To do that, we have to say execute, because being it is now a store procedure in the database, we have to use execute command. Say execute space, and the file name was, sorry, not the file name, the procedure name was, I think, hello. You might be seen that. Let's see that once again. The procedure name was hello, you can see here. Okay, so let's give hello procedure has been created. Now we're going to execute it. Okay, so we say hello, H-E-L-L-O, enter. Oh, now as I told you in the last session that if you're using DBMS output as a package, you have to use server output on. You have to set the server output on. So let's say set server output on. Okay, now let's execute it again. So what the command, hello, execute hello and press enter. Okay, so hello world, this is Shaji and blah, blah, blah. So the procedure, now this procedure is actually stored in the database. We use create command to store anything, for example store table. So how to store the table? We say create table, create index, create views, and so on. Everything that we want to store into database, we use create command. Okay, and to modify it, we call it as alter. So I hope you understood how to create a store procedure in PL/SQL. Please subscribe if you like it, because that will help me. Thank you.